Right guys, yeah, welcome back to the second video. This video I will show you how to make deposits into your various platforms, either Derive or Mt4. In this case, I'll be starting with the Derive or Volatility Index Market. How do you deposit your money, your capital, $10, 10,000 in Naira, or $10, 20,000, 30,000, whatever. All right, so this is how we do it on Derive. You log in to your platform. When you come to this point, you insert your email. Okay, then you come in here. You come in here. This is what to show you first. When this platform shows you, you see these spots. There's a smaller spot in this place. The next thing is you press this small drop down menu here. Just touch it. When you touch it, you'll be asked to create an account. Now, this account they are asking you to create is either a USD back office account, a Bitcoin back office account. It's either of them. So if that means if you want to deposit using USD or using an exchanger, this USD account, if you send money to binary using a Visa account or an exchanger, this is where the money will reflect in. It will show the amount of money reflected in USD here. It's called your CR account. CR, for this one, the number is CR. It's 1982298. So it's either you create a USD account or a Bitcoin account. See, it's BTC account, CRDs, and the number is displayed there. So what you do is, after clicking on that create account, you follow in the process and you click you are sure, yes you are sure you want to create an account in USD, or yes you are sure you want to create an account in Bitcoin. If you've created USD account, you can still go back and create Bitcoin account for the means of deposit. After that is done, this interface here, this Windows interface, this top right, you click on it. When you click on it, you see cashier. When you see cashier, you click on the cashier. You see means of deposit and withdrawal. You see this, I've created my USD account. You see our fiat account currency is set to USD. So I want to make deposits. Let's say I want to make deposits directly using my Visa card, or I want to use Skrill. So you see there are different Skrill, Neteller, credit cards, debit cards, Perfect Money, and the likes of them. So if you want to, you can also use Web Money and the likes of them. So either of these you can make. If you just click on it, do ask for details, and then the money, if you have money there, the money will be sent into your binary account straight up. Now, what if you want to use a payment agent to deposit into your dollar account? Right? In the use of your payment agent or exchangers, I would advise the agents to avoid being scammed. All right, so you click on the deposits. You see the payment agent, just come down, click on deposit. After I click on that deposit, you can contact your payment agent told here. You see, you can contact them. Okay, the one I use and I know personally is Havila Global Exchange. So this is Havila Global Exchange. Okay, so I can just click on it, and then I put the amount I want to deposit. You see, This he deposits from. This is the minimum and maximum amount. Commission on deposit is 1%. Commission on withdrawal is 1%. They have their email, they have their. You can also always meet him up and he will do what you need. So I can put in my. If I just click that, I can put in all details required and transaction will be processed. Likewise, if I want to make withdrawal, the same means I used to make deposits is the same means I will use to make withdrawal. I can't use another means to make withdrawal. If I use Visa to deposit, I will have to use Visa to withdraw. If I use an agent to deposit, I will have to use that agent to withdraw. If I use Bitcoin, which is this, click on that drop down menu, I come here. If I use Bitcoin to deposit, I'll have to use Bitcoin to withdraw funds in my account. When this is done, you have the money you sent reflected in either your Bitcoin or your CR account. When the money is reflected in either of these accounts, the next thing for you to do is to transfer the funds to your Mt5 where you trade. You transfer that funds to your Mt5 where you trade. Sorry. Right, so let's assume this is $2,600 is sent here. Okay, I've not made any deposit in this account, so we'll just use with an assumption now. Now, let's assume this is this, and you want to transfer it to Mt5. You see MetaTrader when you click on that drop down menu. Okay, when you click on it, go down. Click on that drop down menu. Please change this from demo to real. When you click on your real account, you see this is the real account. I clicked on it, showed. Look at the balance in Mt5. It shows in there. So I'll come down. I'll see transfer your funds to your Mt5 account. Now I'll see a spot for that. If it is in Bitcoin, I'll put this, right? I'll put the Bitcoin value there. If it is in US dollar, I'll put the amount here. And then I'll click on transfer. When I click on transfer to Mt5, I'll click on that. And this is what will be reflected in my Mt5. The money I transfer will be reflected there. When that money is reflected there, the next thing for me to do is to go to my Mt5 and use it to trade. So let's go to Mt5. Okay, where are you? This is Mt5. It's Mt5 0. This. So this is the Mt5, and this is what will be reflected. So you have your balance, equity, and free margin. Okay, and then you have this. This is a currency account in Mt5, not synthetic index, right? Okay, so this is good for now. All right, so let's go and see how we would log into make deposit on your Mt4 account. Now, when you log into Mt4 account, likewise, you would see this. You still have a drop down menu here. Click on that drop down menu like this, and then you see deposit funds. You click on deposit funds. It will also show you Visa card, wire, Neteller, Create. Choose either of the options. I can choose wire transfer. Wire transfer is bank transfer using your app, most preferably, so that you can put in your wallet ID. Sorry, your Handtech ID, which is this. This is your Handtech ID, 50955. You copy it when you're doing a bank transfer. You choose which of the denomination you're using, Naira, USD, or GBP. When that is done, you choose either of these accounts, and then you put the account you have to send that money to. I mostly use Zenith Bank, so you see, they provided Zenith Bank for me here. You can use any any of the account that is given to you to make deposit, but that uses any bank. So you can use this also. So in the description box in your bank app, you put in your ID, and then when the money is funded in your Mt4 account, it will reflect in your wallet here, just the way it reflected in the other accounts in Mt5, but this one is a bit different. So you come here and then you click on manage funds. Manage funds is to transfer from one place to another. So we want to transfer from our Handtech market to either of those accounts. So when that is done, you click the amount you want to transfer. So this is $4 here, and I want to transfer $4. Boom. I click the platform I want to use. I have sent it to, so you see it has been successfully done. When I go to my Mt4 here, I would see that this is it. I think this is it. Right, so you see, deposit $4. See that this is successfully done. So from there, you can now use that money to trade. So guys, this is how to log in, make deposits using Exchanger, different options and different platforms, Mt4 or Mt5, Forex and volatility market respectively. This is the second to last video for now. The next video will cover how to reduce your lot size to the barest minimum, so that even with a $4 account or so in any of the markets, you can trade comfortably using a smart money strategy. Cheers. See you on the other side.